Let's play the game What is in the Box? These are beautiful earrings shaped in a star. Now let's close it. What is in the box? There's a beautiful bracelet. They are very shiny. Now let's close the box again. What is in the box? There are beautiful rings that are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There are with diamonds. Now let's close the box again. What is in the box? There is a bracelet. So shiny. Let's close it again. What is in the box? There is beautiful lip balm. That is, the cap is shaped in a unicorn head. Now let's close the box again. Now let's guess what is in the box. Ooh, there are beautiful markers shaped as a carrot. It is pink. It is orange. It is blue. Now let's close it. What is in the box? Ooh, there's a beautiful birthday girl. Now let's close the box. What is in the box? Look, there's a little beautiful bear, all pink. It is a cream. Hand cream. It is coconut hand cream. Now let's close it again. What is in the box? Box, box, box. Let's open it. Oh, look! This is the rest of the other markers. This is a purple one. And this is a green one. Now let's close it again. Now let's see what is in the box. Open it. Oh, look! This is the toy macaroon, all blue. Now let's close the box. What is in the box? Oh, look! That's a snow globe. It is a llama from Dubai. It's so sparkly. Now let's close it again. What is in the box? Let's open it. Look at this, so beautiful. Now let's draw our hand and nails. We're going to color it with nail polish, glittery pink nail polish. There we go with some red nail polish. Then some blue nail polish. Then some pink nail polish again. Blue nail polish again. Now stickers, shaped in a heart. To make it stick properly, we can take the pencil. and do this. What is in the box? Ooh, look at that! Some lovely jewelry. There are beautiful rings. There's this beautiful butterfly. There's this beautiful bee. There's this beautiful flower. There's another butterfly. There is a lovely heart shape. Now let's close the box. What is in the box? Oh, look, there are so many things, which we already saw one by one. The snow globe of Dubai with the llama sparkly and pretty. Then there is the teddy bear shaped cream, all in coconut cream. It is a pink, 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 pink. Then let's close it. Then let's take the lip balm shaped in the head of a unicorn, the cap. Then there's a lovely glittery lip gloss. Then there is another lip gloss. Then there's the blue fake macaroon. Then there is another lip gloss. What is in the box? A beautiful bracelet. There's not only one bracelet, there are many bracelets. Oh, look at that ring, how pretty. Look at the bracelet again. Look at the ring in the heart shape. Then there is the lovely flower. Then we're going to take another frozen bracelet. There are beautiful pearls with a lovely middle pearl. Not pearl beads of Anna and Elsa. Beautiful butterfly. Beautiful bee. Beautiful Barbie heart. And a beautiful flower. A beautiful heart shape. La 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 la. It's so beautiful. Now the bracelet. Look, it's a beautiful. I think it is. It is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Bye everyone, subscribe.